Hey everybody, welcome to the Schmidt House. We've got a few projects here around the house we're going to be doing this weekend, so we thought you might be interested in what's going on here on the homestead. So this morning, Carrie's going to work on fixing a leak, transmission leak, I think. Is that what it is?
Yes.
On the Mustang. It's been sitting in the shed. We really can't drive it because it has a bad leak. So he's going to see if he can't get that fixed, and then we may have a few other projects around the house. And we've got a chicken that's sitting on our fake egg in the nesting box. So we'll show you that later, and maybe y'all can help us out on how we can get her out of there. Okay, here we go. Oh, you got another one for me? Oh, it's for Daddy. Oh, Daddy's working on the truck. I'll put it over here with mine, okay? Y'all don't come in here while we're working in here, okay? Stay and play on the back porch, okay?
I knew it.
It's still there, but it is better. Water dried up pretty quickly, so things are a little neater in here. We'll pull the Mustang back in probably later today. And Terry's getting the El Camino all warmed up. You can hear it maybe running in the background, so we can clean that one. He wants to pressure wash the inside of the engine, and then we're gonna wash it. I may be driving it to work some this week. My truck's in the shop right now. It had a leak, oil leak. They're going to do a couple other things while they have to take part of the engine apart. So let's get the El Camino cleaned up, and then I'll have to show you the chicken here after a while. The chickens are drinking water like crazy here. Just filled this up a couple days ago. Oh, they got plenty of food. Well, we're going to have to fill this up. Give me a minute. There's Rico and Millie's food. Water. I'm about to dump it. It's got some grass in it for mowing. But there's, you see those little black things? Mosquito larvae all over the place in here. Definitely need to dump it. Okay, chickens have water. We're gonna go look at that other chicken here in just a minute. But if you remember these right here, these kind of black and orange and yellow and white ones. Those are our newest batch that were born earlier this spring. And we know we think one is a rooster because we can hear it crowing here and there, but we're not 100% sure which one it is. I haven't really looked that closely. These orange ones are some we hatched before. That's Rodney. Okay, so let's go check out this one in here. Let me clean some of this mess up. So we've got this New Hampshire red that is sitting in here, and she is two. There's a fake egg under there that gets chickens to lay in these nesting boxes, so that's what she's sitting on. And I mean, I guess we could pull her off and get that one out from underneath, but I don't know if there's another way. It's kind of nice. All the chickens are doing a good job of laying in here. Maybe they're used to it now. We could get rid of it. But if y'all have any ideas on how to get her to get out of there, that would be great. Okay, let me grab these two. Try not to knock her in the nose. She's got to be hot in here. But I guess she's getting out to get water, I hope, or she wouldn't be still alive. So our inside thermometer right now says it's 102 degrees outside. So yeah, it's pretty hot, and it's, what is it, 2:30 in the afternoon at this point. So Carrie's gonna finish washing the El Camino, and then we're probably gonna head in. But I wanted to give you a quick update on our apple trees. So earlier this year, we had a video showing us planting these apple trees. And this one, no matter how much we water it, the leaves seem to always be a little bit curled up like that. But it's looking okay. And this one over here, it's looking really good. No apples yet, it's a little crooked, but it's kind of tilted back just a little bit. We have to try to do something to see if we can't straighten it out. But it's looking great too. So they're both healthy. So that's good news. We just need to try to get plenty of water on this, because it looks like the rest of this month's gonna be a hot one. Well, I just told you I was reading 102. I was wrong. 104. And I bet you it gets hotter. It's only 2:30 and we've been hitting the hottest part of the day, closer to 6 the last few days. Yeah. I think that's it. I already did the hood.
On this side?
Yep.
Oh,
That's the only thing I made. I don't think I did. The fender in the front. Okay, he's gonna pull it back in, and we'll be able to tell for sure that it's not leaking because we got everything cleaned up underneath. But I think it's okay. I think we're good. All nice and clean. What? Pretty close. I think so. Yeah, you're good. You're good. Well, it's the next morning, and we've got a few more projects to get done around here, and then we're going to surprise the girls and take them to see the movie Sketch this afternoon. But if y'all remember on the last boat makeover video, it was actually a few videos ago, I mentioned the cup holders. We had replaced some of the bad ones with stainless steel, and they really look nice. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the last few. There's nothing wrong with them, but the stainless steel looks so much nicer. So you can see these two up here in the front. There's really nothing wrong with them. Then we've got, see, I think 2 over here, and then that one right back there. So 5 to replace. So I'm gonna work on that. We cleaned up all the life jackets and everything too. I'm waiting for some of them to dry, and we're gonna put all that back in the boat. Okay, so I got them all out. You can see they've got this glue and stuff from the original installation. But that's the easy part, just popping them out. I'm gonna clean those up and then I can put the new ones in. Okay, those are all cleaned up. And if you remember on the last video, you just peel this tape on and stick them down in there and we'll be good to go. And I'll go ahead and get the rest of them finished. Simple as that. Well, we've got all the cup holders installed. I went ahead and I put down this back corner seat. Here, I'll show you in just a second. And then I'm about to do a little treatment on the new seats. So, as you can see, all the new stainless steel cup holders are in. Some of them we installed the last time, but everything's in now. With the new seats, it really looks good. I still had to put in this corner seat, and I put some double-sided Velcro, so if we ever do have to take it off for any reason, hopefully not, it will come off a little bit easier. But it's still, I mean, I'm pulling pretty hard on there, and it's not coming up. I put 3 big pieces on there. Still haven't done the captain's chair. That'll probably be next weekend or a future weekend. We are going to the coast here in about 2 weeks, I think. And then the last thing I'm going to do today, actually the second to the last thing, is the lady, when we got the boat, new seats covered, she said we need to use some conditioner once a month. I don't know that we're actually going to do it once a month, but I am going to put a little bit on today, this vinyl guard, and then we actually have some vinyl cleaner too. I'm just going to spray it on this rag and wipe down all the seats real quick, and then I want to double check our bilge pump and make sure it's still working. Okay, so that's all done. It probably took 5 minutes or less. I will say this stuff had really good reviews on Amazon, which is what the lady at Morales Upholstery said, just to look for that. She had given me the name of another type, I think Sailrite. This is Starbright. I'm not sure if it's the same thing. I looked up the Sailrite. I did find some stuff, but it wasn't on Amazon, and it's just easier to get things on Amazon, as much as I hate that sometimes. One of the things it said in the review was how great it smelled, and I have to agree, it smells wonderful. It smells like the beach, like suntanning lotion. Okay, so that's done. We're going to check the bilge real quick now. Okay, bilge works. Just kicked on. Okay, just want to make sure we're going out later this year. Let me pull the hose out. Let's see here. It's not even that deep, really. Okay, let me pull this out. Whoops. Plug the back of the boat up, put the drain plug in over there. It was taking forever, so I went up to the front of the boat, cranked it up a little bit, and more of the water rushed to the back, so it kicked on. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this drain plug. It's gonna get a little wet back here. Let's see how much water is left. Actually, not very much at all. Okay, I'm gonna pull the drain plug. Should drain out the back now too. The batteries are not on. Your bilge pump should come on without the batteries being turned on. Your bilge pump should be directly wired to the battery, so that it comes on automatically. For example, if you leave the drain plug in on accident and it's outside in a rainstorm, or you should be able to turn on the bilge switch and manually turn it on if you have any concerns. So everything looks good. What I like. So we should be about ready for our next trip. The last thing we need to do is install the pilot's seat or captain's seat, and we have some time. Our next official trip in the boat will be November 11th. We'll be driving down to Aransas Pass, which we've been doing that the last couple of years. I think this will be our 3rd year, staying in a different place this time. and then we're gonna be down there for 4 or 5 days. I can't remember. Hopefully the weather's good and we can go fishing. The last 2 times we've gone has been in October, but watching all the posts on Facebook, it seems like November people are catching more down there. Last year we had a terrible wind, so we almost caught nothing. The year before we had a great time, caught quite a few fish. And we like that it's in a protected area, so even if it's a little windy, we've got some protection and places we can go and fish. So I think we're done for today. No, just kind of some miscellaneous stuff around the house. We're going to go tell the girls here in just a minute what we're going to do this afternoon. They had to clean their room, and that always comes along with some drama. But it's cleaned and done now, so we'll let them know we're going to go see Sketch this afternoon. Avery starts pre-K Wednesday, and Harmony goes into 3rd grade. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. Thanks. Y'all want to stay here at the house this afternoon and watch TV and clean house and eat leftovers? Or do you want to go watch Sketch and go out to eat?
Watch Sketch and go out to eat.
Do y'all think y'all deserve it?
I want to stay home and clean house and work.
No, you can stay here then. You can
Pull
stay
your dress
here.
down, Avery. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do then.
That has nothing.
We have to leave in about 2.5 hours.
Are we doing that right now?
No.
I thought we were gonna either go to SeaWorld San Antonio.
Oh my goodness, no, it's too hot for
The
that.
swimming pool. Mr. Gaddy's, or not the theaters and watch Sketch.
That's air conditioned.
You don't want to go to the theater once?
No, I do. I was just telling you what I thought was.
So we did surprise you?
Yes.
Rico's just chilling in here on the concrete. The cool concrete. Yep, I'm talking about you. We don't know how much longer he's got, but he might surprise us. Is it cooler in here than outside?